If your YouTube channel isn't getting you clients, this video is going to change everything. Most business owners think they need millions of views to get clients from YouTube, but that is completely wrong. I've helped with clients like Giles add over $75,000 in added revenue for his program directly through YouTube, and Bash grow his Telegram channel to over 1,600 warm members, with only 8 videos in his channel. No viral videos, no millions of views needed. The secret is they stopped creating random content and started creating strategic content that actually attracts their ideal customers. So in this video, you're going to learn the exact system to do this and how you can start getting clients from YouTube today, regardless of your industry, audience size, or how many subscribers you have. I'm literally going to give you action steps at the end, a 90-day plan, and what you should do after watching this video. So let's get straight into it. So the real reason why your channel is not getting you clients is that you're trying to get the wrong things. You're just chasing views, likes, subscribers, but in fact, none of these things will get you clients, because the only thing that actually matters is qualified leads. And that's exactly why most business owners stay stuck. It's because their content is not designed to attract and convert their ideal clients. But here's what changes everything. When you start creating content that gives away massive value, specifically for the people who fit your ideal client profile, everything changes. Just think about it. When you watch a video where someone actually shows you how to do something properly, let's say how to start an AI agency, how to create high converting abundant carts and checkout flows, etc., you go and think, damn, this person actually knows what he's talking about. His free stuff is so good. I wonder what his paid stuff is like. And that's exactly when people become clients. You don't want someone to walk away from your channel feeling like they wasted time. You want everybody to walk away with a positive sentiment and see you as an authority. So moving on to the 3 mistakes keeping your channel from getting clients. Mistake number 1 is creating random content. So instead of following a proven strategy, you just post whatever comes to your mind. You have no consistent theme or positioning. Your content topics are so random. Sometimes you post a vlog, sometimes you post a motivational video, and you have no clear journey for your viewers. So your audience doesn't know what you're about and how you can even help them. And this will also mess up with your targeting and attract random people to your channel, which is very bad. So you need to have a proven strategy. You need to post top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom funnel videos on your channel. You don't want to just post one type and leave the other types of videos, because it's all a funnel working together as a one ecosystem. Top of funnel attracts people, middle funnel nurtures people, and bottom funnel converts people into clients. And that is exactly how the YouTube sales funnel actually works. So let's have a quick example here. So let's say you're selling B2B and you made a video about buying your dream car. By the way, just to make it clear, I'm not talking about this person specifically. I'm just making an example here. So this type of video is going to attract broke ass people that just want to get entertained and want the lifestyle, but they don't want to work for it. They are not committed. If someone is committed, he's gonna go to YouTube and search how to solve a specific problem. He's not gonna click on a video on you buying your dream car. But if you make videos that are very specific, for example, like how to do X, Y, and Z step by step, how to solve this specific problem, how to implement this strategy, and every single video ties into the next, people who watch your videos are going to think, damn, this person actually knows what he's talking about. Mistake number 2 is chasing vanity metrics. Do not chase views. You need to build authority with your ideal clients. Views, likes, clients, whatever, any of those things are not going to get you clients on YouTube. Like I said before, all you need is that you want to make sure you're focusing on attracting the right quality audience. Do not make broad content like motivational content or vlog entertainment content. Instead, make content that appeal to your ICP only, and especially if you're selling business to business. Because the problem is when you do this, you're attracting the wrong audience who will never become clients. And the proof to this is I know small channels with 100 subs closing high-ticket deals directly from YouTube. And this is even a case study of mine. This is my client Luke, and he have been able to collect $2,000 from YouTube with his very first video on the channel and less than 300 views on it, as you can see here. So low views will actually generate you revenue if you know how to position your content directly in front of who you want to sell to. Quality over quantity. Mistake number 3 is weak value delivery. If you're holding back your best insights instead of giving away everything, you're messing up. You need to give 97% of your knowledge away, because if prospects can't see the full depth of your knowledge, they won't trust you enough to become clients if you hold things back. Because my belief is that you need to give it away almost everything and then only keep very specific parts private. So if any of these mistakes sound familiar, you're not alone, but I've just gave you exactly how to fix all of them. Now before we continue, if you want us to implement this entire system for you so we can focus on closing clients and delivering results for them, click the first link in the description below and book a call with me to see if we're the right fit to work together. We handle everything from strategy to content creation to optimization. But if you want to do all of this yourself, keep watching this video. So now moving on to the 5 steps to start getting clients from YouTube. So step 1 is positioning yourself as
as the authority. I know you hear this around a lot, but here's actually how to do it. You need to become known as the expert for one specific outcome. And here's how you do it. Just complete this sentence. I'm the expert who helps X person achieve X, Y, and Z outcome. For example, I'm the SaaS scaling expert who helps founders go from $100K to $1 million in revenue. I'm the real estate marketing specialist who helps agents get 50 plus listings per month. I'm the executive coach who helps CEOs build remote teams. I am the content marketer that scales B2B and B2C offers through YouTube. And the key is just to pick one thing and own it completely. Step 2 is creating your authority content map. So you should not post randomly. You should cover every single aspect of your expertise in an authoritative way. So you need to pick 10 topics. For example, if you're a SaaS scaling expert, there's product market fit, pricing strategy, customer acquisition, team building, funding and investors, tech stack, pricing strategy, customer success, leadership, and competitive analysis, etc. You can develop each one of these into anywhere from 5 to 10 videos each. And this is going to equal anywhere from 50 to 100 strategic content ideas ready to make. So let's say you're making one video per week. That's 52 ideas per year. So you're good for a long time with this. And then you can obviously add case studies and other stuff on top. Step 3, give away your best stuff. So to show this in practice, create a 1 hour plus free course video. And this works so well because people who consume over an hour of your content are highly qualified prospects. They are serious and they're not just scrolling with no attention span. These are actual qualified people you'd want to work with, because giving away your method will build massive trust. So your free course video should include your complete method, real case studies and results, step-by-step guide, behind the scenes of how you work, and a clear call to action for next steps. And also you want to make sure that you have a CTA in the first 30 to 2 minutes of your video and a midway CTA as well, so that as people going through, they know they can work with you. So here's exactly what you need to do. At the 30 to 40% mark, add a quick intermission. This has to be 2 to 3 sentences max. For example, you can say, by the way, if you want this done for you by me, click the link in the description below and book a call, and then immediately go back to your content. And this captures people who drop off before the end. Step 4, master content categories. So this is going to be pretty simple, and this is the strategy that works with literally any niche, which is 50% of your content has to be action based, 30% has to be educational, and 20% has to be social proof. 50% of your content has to be step-by-step action-based videos. So these solve specific painful problems, and these are entry points to your funnel. People discover you through these videos. Let's say someone is searching for how to create a high converting abundant cart and checkout flows. Obviously he's gonna go into YouTube search and search it. So this is for people actively searching for solutions. 30% of your content has to be educational, and these are positioning and nurturing pieces. This is where you give industry insights, break false beliefs, introduce your unique methodology, and build a shit ton of trust and authority. 20% of your content has to be social proof. So this is where you show actual results and not just talk about them. And this shortens your sales cycles. This could be a client interview or a case study breakdown where you show a transformation of a client before and the results he have got after working with you, how did you help him, how long it took him, etc. So ideally, your content has to be 50% action-based top of funnel videos, 30% educational middle of funnel videos, and 20% social proof bottom of funnel videos. Step 5, use strategic call to actions. So instead of saying subscribe or like this video, you need to say something like, if you want help implementing this exact system into your business, click the first link in the description and book a call with me. Or if you want this done for you, click the first link and book a call with me to see if we're the right fit to work together. Every single video needs to have one clear step that moves qualified prospects closer to becoming clients. So this is your 90-day action plan to get clients from YouTube. So your first month is going to be the foundation. You want to define your 10 core topics, create your first video, usually an action-based video, create your second one, and then in week 4, create 2 case study videos or 2 client interviews. So the goal here is to create 4 to 5 pieces of content that are your foundation and establish you as an authority within your space. And actually becoming an authority takes way more time. But here we're just setting up your foundation. Month 2, build momentum. So we're going to create 3 more videos from your topic list, make 2 more pieces of social proof, and then create your first free course video. This video is going to be your client magnet. You can leave it as a link in the description of all your other videos, and you're going to be pushing traffic to this free course video from all your other future content. And the goal here is consistent weekly publishing with a clear path, because all of these videos feed into each other. Month 3 is optimize and scale. Look at what videos did best, which ones didn't work out, and rewatch your content and see what you can improve on, because a lot of people don't watch their content, and this is very bad. You need to watch it so you can actually see what you need to improve. And the main things we want to track, number 1 is clients generated and sales calls booked, and then also checking out the comments to see if people trust you and see you as an expert. Don't put too much weight on views at first. The main thing is how many clients are we getting, but make sure you give it some time. 3 to 6 months, give it some time. It's organic content. You might make some mistakes, so just give it time. And keep in mind, the difference between YouTube channels that get clients and everyone else is not talent or luck or timing. It's strategy, massive value delivery, and consistency. You're knowledge is valuable enough to get high-paying clients. You just need the right approach to attract people who can pay for it. Stop trying to get views and start trying to get clients, but more importantly, remember this. You need to give away so much fucking value that your prospects cannot imagine not working with you. And one more thing, consistency beats perfection every single time. One strategic video per week beats 10 random videos per month. If you're a business owner, either B2B or B2C, start YouTube today. I promise you, your future self will thank you.
So that was the complete system to turning your YouTube channel into a client generation machine. If you want to go even deeper, I created a full free YouTube course where I break down every single thing you need to know about YouTube as a business owner to get started. It covers the complete strategy step by step. I'll link that in the description below, so make sure you watch that next. And if you want us to handle the complete strategy, content creation and optimization, so we can focus on what you do best, closing clients and getting your clients results, click the first link in the description below and book a call with me. So that's it for this video. See you in another one.